Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 13th of March 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. Daily chart, we haven't managed to reach new highs, and so far the conditions of the potential new uptrend is still the same. It remains intact, no problems, but so far we might experience new potential higher lows in the small time frames that can bring opportunities during this today's market. Just so you know, right now the currency is trying to build that particular higher low. Is already active. It hasn't been developed 100% on the daily chart. We need more volume to see that happening, and if that obviously comes into the market, if the buyer's volume comes in, we can definitely see a potential visit to the 710, which will be one of the very powerful signs if the market and the buyers themselves manage to reach such an area, which is very important for the interest of these particular patterns in the weekly and the 3-day chart. Remember, we got potential higher lows in those particular time frames, so we'll see what happens during the next 24 to 48 hours. This is the 12-hour chart. Again, same situation. Price is still trying to reach more above the 656.95. We might experience that possibility, and so far the only thing that is stopping that movement to go up and above the 656 at the moment is this particular congestion. This is a minor resistance that is actually buyers trying to absorb all this entire area in order to pursue that target, which is right now above 670. It might happen, so some higher lows in the small time frames can come along and give us some opportunities to go in the market. Now with the 240-minute chart, the conditions look pretty much positive at this point. As you can see, price remains over above the SMA 200. We got a new higher low that it might bring new opportunities during the course of the day. If the price managed to reach this particular area, like we said before, 656, we might experience a very new momentum, and why not a potential rally on its way. Price is still trying to bring new patterns above these particular areas, which are located at 646.50. We'll see if we can manage to reach this particular higher high, which is 656. That's something that we might have to take into consideration, because right now this particular pattern is not the best one. It doesn't look very clear at this point, but it could be a positive one if the volume comes in and goes with the particular trend that we're experiencing right now. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart. Once again, this long range candlestick was trying to deny the entire uptrend from previous session, and right now we see that all this particular long range candlestick was denied by this uptrend. Price managed to reach once again SMA 200. It's still above the SMA 200. It might use the SMA 200 as a support, and the next higher low in this particular time frame might give us an opportunity to get in the market, or why not 50-minute chart could be a solution as well. Just to remind you, right now we have an opportunity that if it gets created by the 60-minute chart, the new higher low can bring new potential opportunities for the price to try to reach that particular $710, which is an area that it has to be penetrated by the price at that point. So keep an eye on it. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.